बोलो
So,
बोलो Is it the for Youth for
This
Northeast?
is a lovely occasion. This is a concluding ceremony of 100, the centenary celebration of Ramakrishna Mission in Northeast India. And this is not concluding, in fact, it is just the beginning of another century maybe of service, of renunciation and of love for all.
Today given by very senior monks of the Ramakrishna Mission order. The entire day is aimed at the devoted followers of Ramakrishna Mission who are young, who are basically school and college students, but who have been inspired by Swami Vivekananda and the ideals of Ramakrishna Mission, and we are trying to get them molded to the ideas of Ramakrishna Mission. At the same time, in the evening we have the release of the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna in Khasi. The entire 19 chapters of Gospel has been translated in Khasi by a team led by Babu Faster, and it will be released by Reverend Swami Gautamanandji Maharaj, the President of Ramakrishna Mission.
You will brief say about the program today.
The program includes a lot of cultural activities by students who are coming from Shela, Bholaganj, Mildiam and all other parts of the state, and then there will be a lecture, guided meditation by Swami Atma Shraddhanandji Maharaj, drama by the Sober group, two songs which were composed here will be sung here with their original tunes, and these songs are O Mother Sharada, and the other song is Ramakrishna Sharanam. Ramakrishna Sharanam was composed at Cherrapunji Ramakrishna Mission and Shela Ramakrishna Mission by someone called Arun Chatterjee in the year 1976. So it will be sung in the original tune. Apart from that, we also have speeches by the director of NIT Meghalaya. We have a cultural performance by a group called Da Minot, and that is by Hamar Singh and party. Yeah, this is all.
Thank you. A lot of thanks to you.
and good morning, namaskar. Welcome to the concluding part of the concluding day of the concluding part of the centenary celebrations of Sora Ramakrishna Mission. As you know, it was in 1924 that Shala Ashram was first established, and then Sober, and then Sora Ramakrishna Mission, under which all Shala and Sober also falls. We are very blessed and very fortunate to have witnessed a historical moment yesterday when the Ramakrishna Mission Swami Gautamananda Maharaj, President of Ramakrishna Mount and Ramakrishna Mission. We are going to witness today again, yet again, a historical moment when the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna, which was initially published in Bangla, Sri Ramakrishna Kathamrita, translated into the Khasi version of it, will be released today by the hand of Most Senior President Maharaj Ji.
Krishna
Blessed to have the presence of most musicians. And for this, we are very fortunate to have with us Divya Swami Atmashwaratananda Maharaj, who is among the Ramakrishna order and presently serving as the head of Ramakrishna Mission Center. Thank you.
जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रुत्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे। My most respectful pranams to the dear President Maharaj and to all the respected monks present here. Now addressing all the students, we shall spend about 10 minutes in concentrating our mind. Please sit straight. I request all the youth delegates to sit straight. Keep your head, neck and spine in straight line. It's very important that we close the eyes. I request everyone to close the eyes. We are hearing the sound of the rain. In the midst of that, we shall also try to feel what is happening within our own mind. First we shall word. May there be peace, understanding, love, and the presence of all noble qualities all around. May all conflicts be resolved. May all be healthy. May all live meaningful lives. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let us bring our mind to the present moment. Here we are sitting, trying to meditate, collect all our scattered thoughts, unite them, and make our mind sharp, calm and pure.
Gratitude to Maharaji, Revered Swami Atma Shraddhananda Ji, for guiding us on a meditation session. Topic is Recharge Youth Volunteers. We have got many volunteers today. We have come all the way from Northeast, many from Assam, many are also from other states of Northeast. So we have a talk on ways and means to enrich spiritual life and mission headquartered at Belmont near Kolkata. He also is the president of Uttar Purvanchal Ramakrishna Vivekananda Bhava Prachar Parishad in Lithuania and two that guides about 70 unaffiliated centers spread over Northeast. Revered Maharaj has more than 38 years being a monastic member and spent about 24 years amongst tribal people of Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh.
Om Sthapakaya cha dharmasya sarva dharmaswarupe avatara varisthaya Ramakrishnaya Dina. Our salutations to Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna, Sri Ma Sarada and Swamiji Maharaj. My prostrations to most revered Gautamananji Maharaj, the President of Worldwide Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. My pranams to all the senior monks and loving namaskars to all others, including teachers, students and the youth. What a great occasion it is today for all of us. What a great privilege to be part of this historic occasion. Chidananda Rupa Sivoham Sivoham. I am not the mind, I am not the body, I am not the ear, I am not what you perceive by your eyes or ears, not what you taste by your tongue or you feel by your skin. I am vast beyond that. I am neither water, neither air. I am Chidananda Rupa Shivoham. I am divine. I am pure. I am not in your body. The body perishes. The mind changes. I am Atma Chidananda Rupa. That is Abhikari, Abhinasi. Fire cannot burn it. Yet, why we all the time keep thinking, we think that I am, even your breaths do not flow. So that is why Swami Vivekananda says, or you can say, what is our aim? Why we are here? Shri Ramakrishna Ishwar Lav hi jivaner uddeshati ayo tadapi na manjati asavayo. Days are passing. Our life is getting over. Still we are going on about things of the world. Let us try to come away from that. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam, Bhaja Govindam. Stick unto God, then only we'll get a retreat from this. Otherwise, there will be all emptiness everywhere. Let us have a life of fulfillment, joyfulness, spirituality. Awesomeness. Thank you. Pranam, Namaskar.
Statue of Swami Vivekananda, those who have seen it, and probably it was not announced that on the
Hi,
kartal, that we would say kartal, they say, it is in local language you say kichao. So thanks to all of them once again for the beautiful, beautiful melodious song.
I shall discuss with you for about 20 minutes a subject that concerns all of us very dearly. But even before going into that, I must congratulate Swami Anuraganji and the institution as a whole that we have been able to bring so many youth together, and we are having a satsang, a holy gathering. In the Ramcharitmanas of Sri Goswami Tulsidas Ji Maharaj, it comes, Binu satasanga vivek na hoi, Ram kripa sulabh na soi. Without a holy gathering, without a satsang, holy association, the power of Viveka in us does not get awakened. And this is possible only by the grace of God, that we get this satsang, this coming together with a holy purpose. And we are all active here. Any human being, when he is normal, he has to be active. He is active, he is doing some action. He is, if nothing else, at least he is following his daily routine of getting up, going to washroom, taking, because everybody has to work. He is working, he is alive, he is kicking, as they say. But what is worship? Worship is a sense of respectfulness. We do it with a great sense of honesty, a sense of shraddha. When we do an action with a sense of shraddha, noble samskaras which I have, that's the best part of my character.